Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing my holiday nails. So I already did my nail prep, so now I'm just applying my base coat polish and then I'm going to put that to cure. Now, I absolutely love this brand of nail polish, but this is such a pretty color, glistening red from the brand Kaioi. You can find these on Amazon, and I love the fact that I only have to do like 2 coats, and it really gives you a really pretty, deep cranberry red color. Then I'm using Divock. This is like the perfect nude base. They're a little pricey, but honestly, they're so worth it because you only need to do like 2 coats and it just gives you the perfect base coat for whatever nail design or whatever you would like to do on your nails. So I'm doing that and I'm going to be curing that. Then I'm using my Maniology nail stamper. And when I tell you this is perfect to use if you want to do like a French tip on your nails, it just makes it so much easier and makes the process easier and the line smoother. So I'm just cleaning up the edges, and then after this I am going to be doing a design on my other nail. I honestly did not know what I wanted to do on my nail, but I knew I wanted to do something different. So I just decided to do like this little curved French tip. And then I'm going to be adding in a little white line to the bottom of that. But I thought it was a cute, like simple design to do on my nails. This took me a little bit of time to perfect because I wanted the line to be super thin. I didn't want it to look thick. And this is the final look. I absolutely love my holiday nails, and Merry Christmas to all you guys. Hope you enjoy your holidays. Thank you guys. Bye.